Alright folks, went to the post office, raised a little hill, told them that they were put on notice, but I got the box. So here is the box, and that's what I got. Yes, another grill, the Go Anywhere grill by Weber. Looking at the box, everything's good. The box, there's a hole. I hope that doesn't mean big dent. Got something sticking out here. Not good. Alright. Okay, got some paper that I just tore up. Owner's manual. Looks like the coal grate. Oh, maybe that is. This might be the grilling surface. Okay, this is what was sticking out through the box. Pretty heavy duty there. The legs. Got the legs here. Now let's see if there's any damage. Oh no, that's good. Looking good. I think it's good. Here's the bottom half. Looks nice. More pieces. That's for the vent. And here's the lid. Let's get these handles out of here. There's hardware with them. We'll just take the lid off. Yeah, that looks like that's all of it. I'm no tree hugger, but I cannot stand styrofoam when you got to get rid of it. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, so it'll go something like this. That'll go like that. This will go on top. And I just put the legs on. That's it. Put the handles, the legs. I guess that's it. And the vent controller.
Yeah, you seen me bring it in. You see me open it. I'm happy I got it. I finally got it. And assembly, there was not much to it. All I had to do is one screw in each one of these handles, 1, 2, and 3. And the legs, they just pop in these holes here with the washer, which is after these vents. Just easily, you know, did I say easy? Easily raise and lower. And I can see there's one on each side. Very cool little grill. Yes, when I went to the post office, they did hear me speak. And the lady got so flustered she started taking the box back. I said, look, I want that. That's why I'm here. She goes, oh, you got me all flustered. I didn't yell at her. I was calm. When I left, I said, thank you. Have a good day. So I was nice. I was professional. And I told her, as a government worker, you are the people's servant. So yeah, it's got a nice little coal rack down there. It's a little beefier than the grill rack. Also, yeah, so assembly, the only other thing was I needed a screwdriver, Phillips, to put on the handles. That's the only tool I needed. And it's got this little clip on the underside here, which isn't connected right now, but that's how you lock it. So to unlock it, just flip her down. And you can put the lid back on. Just bring this up. There's little ridges on here. The legs will snap over. And very cool. You can carry it around. You can carry it like a little suitcase, a little luggage. The only thing is you can't set it down on the ends. You can set it down on the side. But I'm very happy I got this thing. Do I like this more than the Sportsman from Lodge? Depends what I'm using it for, right? So what I do like about this more than the Lodge Sportsman, it's a little bit better portability. It's got a lid, and it's lighter. It's lightweight in comparison, and that's why I got it, because it's different and it's not the same. I don't want to get another. I don't know. I won't say that right now, but I don't want to get another cast iron style, because I think I have the best one available that there is anyhow, and that's the Lodge. What do you have to do to get something shipped through USPS? Yeah, so this is it. The Go Anywhere Weber grill. Weber is a great company for grills, and this, I think this is better than that Little Joe or Smoking Joe, whatever it's called. Just because it's that much more simple. I'll do a lot of indirect cooking with this, as well as some direct cooking, but this thing rocks. I haven't used it yet. You will all see it when that happens. So next time you see this Go Anywhere grill from Weber, I will be using it, and I think I might take it somewhere, kind of show and appreciate and display its portability and ease of use. Yes, the calendar says March. You know why? Because I'm always thinking ahead. All right, till next time, I'm Paulie.